Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down in order to find the section called About Phone. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number. So let's scroll all the way down to find it, and now keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step and then go back. So now we have to find the system option, which is right above the About Phone. So let's tap on it, scroll down and find developer options. So let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can override the force dark, you can transition animations, you can change the transition animation scale, show surface updates, show key presses, visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options which are connected with a Bluetooth or overall with the networking, because we've got also USB or Wi-Fi here. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick pointer location. So let's simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. So just tap on it, and your device needs to be restarted. So just tap on restart, your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again. And after that, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. I don't want to do that. But of course, if you wish to customize developer options again, simply go back to the build number step and keep tapping on it to activate this option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.